Yeah, I'm heading to a quick meeting this side, and then after more, get about.
Okay, sharp. Just let me know, ne? Khanyo kay mo.
All right, sharp fanak.
Sharp.
Danko.
Limapa, guys. Yung na mala Bentley. Kir, mulalo or, ler, Ndamoes, ish, bruh, stop being jealous. My friend, ish, Ndamoes Monhla, ish, like, why are you being like this? Why? Ndamoes, my friend, don't be like, my friend, what's up with the jealousy now?
Jealous. Okay. So don't worry, I'm gonna deal with you after this. I'm still talking to Papa about. I'm just gonna deal with you. I'm gonna post everything. Okay, my friend. Okay, you're talking about the Bentley.
Yes, Khan, why are you being jealous?
Mari, you know I'm not jealous. You know
My
that.
friend, don't say
Okay,
that.
okay. With maybe.
Musa ikwaba shwari. Aristule skena. Aba
Okay, wait.
shukante kinga wena.
Okay, no, about I'm gonna deal with him. Don't worry. Listen, to be honest, you know that I've been in a better Bentley like that. Yes or no? It's a yes or no question.
I
Yes or no?
know, my friend. Yes.
Thank you. Okay, let's go at sharp. So I'm not saying you can't be in that Bentley. It's just that conch, you know?
Mm.
Me, I don't promote conch. Is that okay? That Bentley is there, né?
Mm.
Okay, it's fine. Let me not. Let me. You can just have it. You can get into, but it's fine. Let me not go. But it's fine. It's not his. It's not.
Abasho arosanyela.
The boss that his stuff with on ya too much masipa mo. Well.
Bentley, my friend. I
You
wanna
need.
take picture of
Okay,
the
Bentley.
Bentley.
Ah, Maramia, can you make you take that picture in the Bentley? Why are you doing that on that old things?
Awa me, you what's that content gara Bentley ke?
That old one. Marami. Okay. Say the truth. You know I can make you take a nice Bentley. Am I like yes or no? Yes or no?
Who's Bentley, my friend?
One now.
Okay, yeah. My friend, me, I know you have plans, my friend. You can organize a plan fast.
Okay, that one is not really Conch Bentley. It is it's for belong to some guy, and then he's just driving it, and then it's not his because he was blacklisted, so he didn't get it. But it's fine. He's saving it. You can take a picture on it. It's okay. Okay, Coach. You can. So then then you know. So you can. It's fine, but just don't get into trouble when you're inside that car
How am I gonna get in trouble?
because the owner will take it.
Who's the owner?
Do you think that the Range Rover you at yeah? Let's not go there. My
No,
girlfriend is on the
let's
line.
go there. Let's talk. Tell me.
Okay, it's not DJ's Coach Bentley. Sorry to say it.
Whose Bentley is it?
Someone.
Who?
No, the owner doesn't apply too much. So Coach is just too much.
My friend Marie, have jealous.
Okay.
He bought
That
it.
Bentley is not DJ Coach Bentley's. Yes, the owner is my friend. So the owner said he even tracks. The owner even tracks the Bentley. But you can take a picture. Contact is contact. What do you mean?
He's gonna come to Mokopani with a Bentley.
Yeah,
Ratsia
because the owner
campaign.
is there. The owner is there.
Hey man, who's the owner since you know?
The guy there in the car, not Coach.
Ah, my friend,
Okay,
don't lie.
should I mention his name or what?
Yeah, mention his name.
Sharp. Okay, Coach is blacklisted, so the Bentley is bought by the guy who's driving the Bentley. Easy. Yeah, it's fine.
Why
Now you
why
want
do
me?
you tell
No,
me
I don't
all
want
these
to fight with
news?
people now. Now you're pushing me in a spot. Okay, the owner of the building, the guy driving the building. It's not his. It's not Coach.
Why not Gaga?
They told me, Moose, and then I saw the papers. It's like ours. It's broke. One yeah, that car is not his. Yes, it's like ours.
And it's like Abba, he's broke. How
Ours are
what
not
Abba is
chalete,
not
not chalete.
broke?
You want me to show proof? You see, check my stories after this. You see.
Stop saying people are broke, my friend. My friend,
How
don't be like that.
okay? How can I say they're broke if I know that they are? Okay, let's okay. Okay, well, okay,
They're not
but that
doing.
okay, you just take it as a content, ne? Fine. But Conch is not the owner of the Bentley. He is just there being driven. My friend, that's none of our business. We want content. Content doesn't involve the ownership of the car, isn't it?
You're gonna
My
get
friend.
arrested for spreading lies.
Then I'm gonna post for bail.
You wanna do what?
Post bail. Bail to be falsely arrested for saying someone who doesn't own the Bentley doesn't own the Bentley.
Hey, my
Okay,
friend.
my friend, Marawana one of these things of you. Listen, if I'm broke, then when now who? Okay, wait. I was say okay.
Answer
I
your
was say
question.
Mara I was if Ashiras doesn't pay you the money for the V class and that thing, you will be broke. That's why you give those cars to the Forex boys. Relax, man. Yes.
Ha!
Scam por scam
Don't
papela
say
when I
those
was
things on
scam
my
papel.
life. Cause don't say those things on my
Oh sorry,
life. Cause
sorry.
those forex boys are my friends. And then now you're
And you
exposing them.
something your
Why?
exes, you are right. I don't wanna go there, you are right. Okay. Sharp. Okay, but you also can't say, you can't also tell me what to say because ne, you are my friend and you know I'm very your biggest friend. So we have to have mutual respect to each other.
Your
Very well.
friend.
No, listen, we have to have mutual respect and very mutual one with respect to each other. Not
Coach,
fight.
you better watch it,
Ah,
but
wow, okay. What do you want? What do you want, coach?
stop.
What do you want? What do
He's
you want?
here now.
What do you want, coach?
Oh,
What do you
you
want?
see,
Why
even
are
the
you here?
forex
I'm
boys joined.
people mentioned me.
Then what?
Someone
Then
called me and said
then
I
what?
must come
Okay,
back.
Sharp, should I show you the proof that what I'm saying is not it's not a lie? Where's my phone?
Which
No,
which,
no, you have a problem with
which
me that.
should you show me what?
What I'm saying, you on WhatsApp we are fine, but now you are being miserable on Instagram.
Not bothering
Say sorry to me. Say sorry to
anyone.
me.
What did
Don't
I
care. I
do?
say sorry to me. Say sorry to me. Then I'll be
So
fine.
what? What did I
I say sorry
do?
to me. I'm not asking you too much. I say just say sorry, my bro. That's all.
For what? Bobby, what did I do?
You just have to say
Just
sorry to
put
me.
it, tell you, like, Mara, why would you do so? What did you?
Mr. President, okay, why are you angry? Why are you angry?
Okay, if I tell you why I'm angry, are you gonna apologize?
Yes. If I understand why you are angry, yes.
No, I don't want you. And I said, if I said I'm sorry, are you gonna apologize? Don't tell me conditions here. I'm not your child, me.
Ah,
No, Abase, relax.
Hey, but
Abase,
this ice boy
wait,
work
Abase,
hard.
I'll deal with you. Yeah, obvious. When I relax. Coach,
Boy.
yes.
okay, listen. Are you gonna apologize or what?
Mr. President, I asked a very simple question. What did I do? What did I do?
I'll tell you on WhatsApp. Don't worry.
Yeah, Anna.
Why is that?
Did I keep in the bill? Oh my God! This is okay, Papa. You're putting me in a very bad spot here. This is uncomfortable for me.
No, I
Okay,
wanna know
leadership.
what you wanna
I'm sorry.
say.
Leadership. I'm sorry. Okay. Oh, okay, Ashiras, my brother. I'm sorry
President,
for saying the wrong things to you. I'm sorry for that. And I didn't mean it. I was just drunk. I'm sorry for that. That's what I'm saying.
you,
You
Anna,
forgive me for that.
you know it's cool. Hey, man, this guy is opening a fridge. He's in the house.
No, no, it's in all the Bentley that doesn't belong to
Mr.
him.
President,
So yes.
No, and
Okay, 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 okay,
man,
okay. I said you 6 years.
coach,
Okay, I said okay. Thank you,
mbele
Abbas.
vevenyana mo,
Thank you,
warra mbele
Abbas,
vevenyana.
my friend. Oh wait, I love Abbas. Thanks, Abbas. I got the money for Astropres. You, I love you. You are a good person. Okay, coach. Hey, coach.
yes, my president.
Okay, you know what? Let's leave this thing of fighting. What, bro? You know
You are
what? Let's
fighting
do this.
alone. Me and leadership
Hey
are
man, hey,
okay. Me and
hey,
Bobby
keep
are
quiet.
okay. You
Problem
are the
you
only
talk
one
too
who's
much.
fighting.
I said keep quiet. I'm talking, man.
Oh, yeah,
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
talking. Keep quiet. Okay, my friend. I'm
Sorry,
saying.
President. Talk.
Listen to me, coach. I said, okay, you also I'm sure this, but let's move on. This time can't fight every time, coach. Nice Bentley, by the way. It's a very good Bentley. I love it.
Yeah, no, that's my favorite. That's my dream car. That Bentley is
Yeah,
too
that's a
much.
very,
It's a
very
fucking
nice.
bag.
Leadership. When now you need to stop acting, dog. You know what you need to do. When
What is
are
that?
you getting that Ferrari, dog? Stop playing.
Ah, yeah, yeah,
Come
yeah, yeah,
on.
yeah.
Okay,
It's January,
okay,
1 year.
coach. Stop talking down. We see any Bentley. You are sister. You're gonna have a neck injury. We all know you that you have that Bentley. You're gonna have a neck injury. Relax.
President is a Bentley. In a Bentley,
And that's
different.
nice leadership. That's a nice Bentley. Coach, before you bought that Bentley, you asked me what kind of car is that. I told you.
No shrooms. Yeah, no shrooms.
Yes, yes.
Hey, Ndamoes, you get arrested, my friend.
Relax. I'm in charge here. Don't worry. I'm in
Yeah,
charge.
he's the president after all.
Thank you.
Yeah, I
Thank
know.
you.
No one will touch him.
Thank you, my friend. I love that. Coach, you have always been my best friend from day one. I've never been your enemy. Coach,
Now
leadership,
things
am
are
I like that?
changing.
You're not lying. You're not lying.
Leadership,
You're not
who's your
lying.
president? Leadership,
Ndamoes the president of the country.
the host, Papa, who's your president? Be honest. I'm listening.
Ndamoes,
Oh,
you are my
Evan, it's not
president.
Bandile.
end of. No, Bandile is my boy.
No,
I
Oh,
grew
Bandila,
me up with him.
Bandila,
sorry.
how?
I love him.
Sorry, sorry. I lost
I
my tongue
leadership.
there. I lost my tongue. Sorry. Problem
No,
was.
guys, you guys, listen. Now we are fine. Leadership is fine. Coach is fine. Powell is fine. The president is fine. Guys, excuse me. I love you, all of you. I'm out. I need to attend some business meeting. Bye.
We love you, my president.
Sharp, sharp, president. Pablo, sharp. Coach, sharp, sharp.
Sharp, sharp.
Yeah, Bobby, thanks for hosting us in Fana.
Sharp,
And then, yeah, I just got here now. Let me finish up and then I'll hit you up.
sharp, sharp.
Sharp.